Hi, I'm David Gerard, and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, you will love Marc's pet robot. Agentforce is Salesforce's exciting move into the world of agentic AI. That's agentic in the sense of it's a chatbot. It's a help system. Also, it doesn't work, and it isn't helpful. In the quarterly earnings call, Salesforce CEO Marc proudly told how they'd done 8,000 Agentforce deals. Wow. But that's out of 150,000 customers, and it includes bundles. It doesn't mean 8,000 businesses are using Agentforce. But AI is the future. So Salesforce decided to juice the numbers. On September 29th, the Salesforce help page replaced the search bar with the Agentforce chatbot. That's your only interface. Ask the bot. Agentforce still doesn't work as a search engine, by the way. Business users are as delighted as you'd imagine. Agentforce spews out wrong answers and the occasional hallucination. You can have a long conversation with the bot and go in circles instead of getting the answer you expected you'd go straight to. Remember, these are mostly expert users who use Salesforce all day, every day, and they just want to look up a particular detail. One user asked on the Salesforce feature requests for the search box to be restored, please. Thousands of other customers voted the request up. Others chimed in how they couldn't find anything, release notes, or how to hook up their particular vendors. It's also way harder to file a support case. Salesforce recently killed simple access to the case creation form. Bernard Slowey, Salesforce's Senior Vice President of Digital Customer Success, what a title, responded to this lack of digital success for a customer. Quote, "The decision to remove the search bar was based on data analysis that showed an average of only 1.7% of help sessions engaging with search, with trends pointing down." Unquote. So I'm told that's not quite the case. Removing the search bar from help was a dictate directly from the top, Benioff's office. You might think he really needs to sell the investors on Agentforce and how many people are using it, whether they want to or not. You will use Marc's lovely pet chatbot. What are you going to do? Move to SAP? Didn't think so. Slowey says Salesforce is, quote, "committing to bringing back a dedicated search capability to Salesforce Help. This is a top priority." Unquote. Of course, they're not just putting back the search bar. Instead, it'll be another function of the chatbot. Quote, "Over time, our vision is to enable search functionality directly in Agentforce on Salesforce Help." Unquote. Sounds awesome. Slowey says November 15th. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. If you enjoyed this episode, send it to just one fellow Salesforce sufferer. Please hit like and subscribe on YouTube. Leave a nice podcast review. I've put in for a proper listing on Apple Podcasts, but for now, you can drop the podcast RSS link into the app. It's in the show notes. And if you want to keep Pivot to AI coming out every day, the best way is to drop just $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes below. Second best is on YouTube. Hit the join button. Thank you all. See you tomorrow, and bye for now.